Hi there, traders. Let's talk about Bitcoin and let's do some backtesting because Bitcoin is my new discovery and I really love Bitcoin because the price action. It's a very good information what you see previously and how the price is actually acting, the behaving and all those little details, disrespect and respect. It's very good. So let's zoom in and let's talk about those things, and let's following the candlesticks like they are here. So first we see this low, then we see this high. So let's put this one here. Definitely this is our first high, and now definitely this is our first low, what we see here. So that's mean what the price is doing right now, because we're breaking those lows here. We break this holder, actually we break this holder here, and we're gathering so much more energy down here, and we create even this shooting pattern here when the price is shooting higher. So that's mean that when the price is going now above it, we have to show the bullish momentum, the bullish pattern, something what is bullish, because the price want to go higher. But what you see when the price is back here, we see the bearish pattern, not the bullish. That's the M pattern and it's the bearish one. And the same time what we make this momentum zone. So what is the momentum zone? So momentum zone is right now what is going higher. So momentum zone is not right now for, let's say if you are a beginner. So momentum zone is just for information for you. That's mean the price need to break this zone to go higher. So that's why it's the momentum zone for you right now. And now the price is bouncing back here. We didn't break this breaking structure, and what we see this kind of this kind of trend line here, something like that. We see this trend line here, and we see we had this little bit manipulation, bounce back here, retest, and bounce back there, and now we break this low still. So let's zoom in here. So and even right now you have opportunity to take some sells here or maybe here, because we have this take profit here. We have this take profit zone. But let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's bring this one here. So now what we see, now we know the market is, we have the opportunity to go higher, to make some bullish patterns, but market structure was acting miserably and fail here. Now we're gonna take this whole movement, the major movement downsides. So this was the hour, when the price was here, we have this pushback, and now we break the lows again. So that's mean this zone here, again we have opportunity in that zone, and opportunity is to price to push back these trend lines right now. But what we see when the price is above it, the price is getting straight away rejected, and now the price is start going down here. But what we see now here more is we have now opportunity here. So now we have this opportunity zone here, and now we have this one. So right now, but the thing is, we don't have take profits right now here. We don't have but the opportunity is here. So most likely there is somewhere, but we don't see right now. So most likely if you have opportunity like this, you can take some entry here, but definitely lower your risk, and stop loss gonna be the same, last week high. But right now you can maybe hold it something. You have to make your own calculations above that, because we don't have the original take profit. But let's say you're gonna trade back here, because that's the only take profit what we have. Still a very solid trade, but not healthy, because we don't have take profit. So right now what's going on here, we break the lows, this impulse candlestick, we break the lows, and we create another opportunity here. That's another opportunity, exactly the same opportunity what is here. and the principle is same like this opportunity. The principle is now when the prices actually really want to go higher, same thing, break and retests, or when the price is, you know, right now what you see, you know, right now we have the bearish momentum and the bearish momentum, so most likely you're looking some, you know, little bit more sells right now, because every time when we have the bullish momentum, price is failing miserably. So right now what is going on here is we have exactly the same thing. Price is going bounce here, price is going bounce here, and now, you know, we break those lows, price is back here. What we made there, we made this momentum zone. Now we have this momentum zone, and this zone is same thing. The momentum is going above that, and now because we have this zone here, opportunity, and the price is breaking low super strongly, there is one thing what you can do is what I'm doing right now is I'm basically taking the, you know, sell entry straight away when we see this retest. But let's say you don't take the entry and then you wait the more information. What you see here, we have another M pattern exactly where we have opportunity to, you know, to go higher, exactly what was happening here. So we have opportunity to go higher, but price didn't, you know, do it, and we have the bearish rejection here. Same thing, we have the bearish rejection, but right now we have this take profit here. So let's put this take profit here, and now that's your sell. Stop loss last week high, a little bit higher than this, and this is your take profit. Very good and solid trade. And the same thing now again, price is going here, bouncing, 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 and now we have the first push higher, and we create this wick high. That's mean above that wick high, the price is opportunity to go higher. But now let's zoom in a little bit, because we have exactly the same thing here, the box opportunity. So let's bring the box opportunity in. So we have this box opportunity here, bounce, 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 bounce. So now we have the very similar, you know, situation what was happening here, but what you have in right now in your side is we break the lows. You know, we was breaking the lows, and now we have to understand how strong this pullback is gonna be. And this is, you know, this is two, you know, tools what is helping us. So right now, let's say if you are, you know, super bearish, you're gonna take some entries here, but now we have the same thing. We don't have take profits right now. The only take profit what we have is this one. That's the only zone what we see right now. That's the only take. Let's say you want to take this sell here, your take profit is gonna be here, or you're just gonna, you know, let's say you open your trade here, you take here like 50% out, and then you can wait, you know, like, you know, whatever the time frame you want to do. But let's see, zoom in right now here. So what was happening? Rejection and break in the lows. So this is pretty good indication already, because, you know, we get rejected and straight away we break our major lows here. And now the price is going, try to go higher, rejected, bouncing, 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 bouncing. Now we have this, you know, strong rejection, bouncing back, rejection, and now we break, you know, all those lows here. You see, we break those lows here with this low, and that was the rejection low, with the rejection here, and now we make this new low, pullback, so let's say this pullback you want to take your entry, because we break the lows and we are the bearish side, in the bearish sides, and the price is bouncing, 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 you know, lower, lower, lower. So stop loss last week high, this last week here, stop loss last week high. Right now this is gonna be your original take profit, but most likely I will, you know, if I have that trade, I will be take this original take profit. It's not needed to hold your trades or doing something like, you know, let's say you wanna, you know, close 50% and then you're gonna hold all the way, but you never know what's gonna happen. And that's why is, you know, that's why it's better to following the principles, and the principle was right now your take profit here. But let's follow the market structure. Impulse, no information. We have this break and retest, impulse, and now we create the first opportunity. So the same opportunity zone here is created. Let's put this one here, and now price is going bounce, no information, and now the price is shooting back to the opportunity zone. And where is our first pullback? Here is our first pullback. But definitely market is much more, right now that's our first pullback, and the zone or the area between this one and the opportunity is pretty strong one. It's not anymore so close like this one, so we have to be a little bit more careful in this zone. But the super interesting thing will be after that is, when we make this zone, so there is nothing, the first thing what you have to do is to wait when the price is back here, or the price is already showing, very strong disrespect on the bullish side, and then you can take, some sells. But right now the price is going back here, but I want to show you something here. What is going on again here? We have again the M pattern, the bearish pattern, like we have this M pattern here, we have this M pattern here, and we have this M pattern here. This is something showing to you. Very strong rejection. You can take this some kind of entries here. Most likely get stop outs. Depends, but most likely. And your original take profit gonna be here. Back to this holder here. This is gonna be your. I will be let's say if I will be take this entry, I will be get stop out, because my stop loss is very very tiny one. Most people may put stop loss above here, I think, to be much more safe, and then you're gonna trade back in that zone. So very good and solid entry. And then you have this opportunity zone, but then we have this opportunity zone, the minor one, but we didn't retest that. Then we break in structure, bounce and going, and we have something here for the future. We have some levels for the future when the price is back here. This can be something for the future due, but we can use the same level holder. And now the price is going back here. Same thing, we have this first push here. The first same thing what was happening this one here, but right now we get straight away rejected, and we have overall we have this bearish continuation pattern here. If you're holding those cells here, you have this pattern, okay, I can hold a little bit more, and this pattern here is just massive W pattern. This is the major, like look at this one, bounce, and this retest. So perfect. Like if you're a professional trader and you see price action like that, like you're gonna take 100% some heavy trade here, because if you look in this pattern, bounce, breaking the structure, breaking this one, retest the W pattern, and now price is you overall, like let's put this pattern here, like this is this is super clean price action right now. This is super clean. It's everything just plays out here. Every single principle plays out 100%. And now this holder, what is holding here? Oh, you can take. You see this holder, what is holding here? Nicely respected, and the full W here. Both ones super nicely respected, and your take profit is gonna be let's say the weight of the pattern is massive. That's mean like the take profit gonna be back, like I wanna say one of this one, or one of those zones gonna be your take profit. But right now let's take this take profit and wanna see what's going on. So let's say your entry is gonna be here, but this is gonna be the major super long entry. This can be take some days or even weeks, but you know, it's just the weight of this pattern is just too beautiful. Let's say your stop loss is gonna be somewhere here. Let's see. Oof, yeah, 100%. You take some, you know, that's not, you know, those are scalp trades. This is, you know, a little bit different. Yeah. But let's zoom in here. What is happening in the price action? You know, we break this high super beautifully, retest, super nice. You know, then we have this one breaking this. We're gonna break this one, retest, didn't break the major, you know, major lows inside this pattern. We didn't break it, break the highs again, retest, second retest, and then bouncing. Definitely there is some nice, there is some kind of trend line. What is going? What is this trend line? Hanging here, back up. Some kind of trend line like this, longer trend, you know, longer time frame trend line. We have this it is 618 or what? Oh, back here. What's that? Take profit 4, even the, you know, the Fibonacci trades, perfect. Take profit 4, done. You know, it's like all the way you see those sells every time we disrespect, you know, long principles. We have this M pattern, and then you have this huge massive W pattern here. Come on, like every single trader wanna be part of that because it's just too beautiful, you know. It's you know, it's like writing in your mind, you know. You are like sell, everything going sell, and then out of randomly you have like massive bullish pattern here. You are like, whoa, what? Let's jump in, boys. And then it's going after that. So let's take this one. Oh dear. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna finish today. Nice little backtesting here for information. I don't want to make so long videos because I think people don't want to watch long videos. So, but you know, it's still little nice information for future and you know, for you know, some more information of your trading, like the way how you're trading. Because like I said, the Bitcoin is actually like I'm starting trading Bitcoin a little bit more now because I see very nice, you know, clean movements. I was trading Bitcoin last time most likely for 3-4 years ago, and now I'm looking, you know, over those, you know, years, all this information what is, you know, in my minds, and I'm looking through that the Bitcoin is, and I'm looking, ooh, Bitcoin is super fresh because it's the new market. That's why the Bitcoin is super sharp, clean, and it's still respecting those OG principles, you know, the nature principles, the human principles. It's not manipulated, and it's a very solid. I super like it. I have to, you know, think more and have more thoughts about Bitcoin behavior, but overall it looks very solid overall because it's the new market. If you have questions, leave in the questions, and I'm gonna see you every single one tomorrow. Thank you and ciao.